Every new energy chef component that departs from RIUGOR not only embodies exquisite manufacturing craftsmanship, but also begins with a scientifically rigorous packaging protection system. Each chef component is evenly coated with high-grade anti-rust oil, forming an invisible protective film, and is then immediately tightly wrapped with an environmentally friendly plastic film to prevent contact with the outside. The chef components are precisely embedded in customized foam boxes, perfectly absorbing and buffering external impacts and vibrations, eliminating bumps, scratches, and deformations during transportation. Each box of products comes with a clear identification card that records key information, such as product model, batch number, quantity, and production date in detail. This enables quick identification of the product and full traceability of quality. The products are arranged on pallets and bundled securely with stretch film for all-around high-strength reinforcement, forming a stable and unified whole. This ensures that the goods reach the customer in perfect condition. From meticulous anti-rust treatment to the final palletizing for dispatch, RIUGOR integrates rigor into every detail of packaging, all to fulfill the promise of safe delivery.